beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
Brother, hello. Brakane melebeni. Brakane melebeni.
Because if you many, but and as like I in Mengero in Halo, I back and I know no she. Oh no, she not know it. I back myself. Look, I'm not saying one year. What more gift to them? My birthday. Unyalo, we have a well on for them and a one not celebrate birthday. I'm about to pay the menu. We are on the police van Kula Laju and back with one. You may tell about a man and we move to here. And the man who didn't have only for job.
Oboshi.
Oh, no, she's a baby. What a quiet boy. You know, money come for. Allah be yourself. Mina na ko buna la. Oje police ban. Oje police ban la bi te wona na be ba gbe for here. The bon Allah ma na.
Na police ko ni show ni fashion e ko.
O for you, o for good.
Wa ma ni police gula ni.
Police good ni. Police do better good. Police o better so wa good.
Okay. Mbele ni. Bro, kike ku no ku keni bro. Kike ku no ku keni.
Ife ngwe ni ngeku. Bo ele no police gbufu ne nwanye. Ade ne be na echewa. Nda police je ku abia. Without the police abia na anya afuna we. Ka nwan tunu we gba ni fe. Anya afuna. Ozuku kan ni bu federal road kan ni. Onwu ni na gashi ni. Anya kechuwa ri. Ko ro anya ne ko. But I don't know the police not the number. Anu ka tane we we usana ne nwanye ne ndo ya bia. We be busa na onwo. Ato ne ndo ya. We busa ne nwanye. Ya bi fe ngwe ni ngeku.
If I actually can go up show, the police will have a good one in a very nice. Brian, actually, do the police going to see. That should that day, but I have no police going to that. You can actually do the police going to see. I should that day. That one. Actually, what DPO, they believe in actually, I feel like I put a good one. You have to shoot that day, but I have no daddy to go. Actually,
Hello, no man can wear you. Actually, into your police can and man you are wearing a abuna. Without it, I have on this book.
I know point trumpet in the bell. Osa youth, Osa Obodo, you wait you wear. Ogriki, a shoe no. You feel a melebena, you go and you don't want a trumpet. Can they make it a money?
Onyaro boys. Sani birthday, but club boy will be when you make birthday on your Serena and you make birthday, and the police piano. The police piano, whatever she can make the next thing will fast big. The boys are coming to get time with them. She did over the pala. So she argument with the police officer. I remember when you put Can I my money? This place will make now. So I don't like the opposition. That's it. My body boy, she don't have money. The boy I'm going to keep on the people. I should wear blood. So I'm not bullying the boy. So I narrow. So there's some youths you can measure the boy in action on the boy. We get Catholic hospital after the boy. We get general hospital after that. So gradually we get the boy. I'm also for
yeah. Auntie, Biko, Auntie, can I mean a gift, eh? Okay. Belenia.
Bros, if a man is here, you know, go to DPO. Say, I am police in an young quarter. Police bag to an young quarter, because any police come vigilante, you can gas a penny. Yam, only for funny, I will love because he will genuine. He will genuine because one you are good than important.
Mbele William. Mbele nyo kwane. Ndo kwane mbele nyo. Aina funi fele menu mukwata. Nde police e gufo fa alugba. We share alugba ka shi mu omo na mu shi mu nya belu. Wa belu 4 months. Kwane mbele nyo. Mama, tell wetin dey happen. They say wetin dey happen.
They don't kill one young guy.
Wetin the boy do?
Nothing the guy do. The guy is doing birthday. And all this police just come and kill the guy. Kill the guy with 3 months baby. Who will take up this baby?
Who kill am?
The police. Government police. And help us with 3 healers. After killing the child. After killing the son. They carry the boy with healers. Follow the both sides.
They carry the boy comot.
Follow the both side.
Okay, they follow bush side comot.
They don't keep him hospital. They can't even leave him on the hospital before we get say the boy don't die.
Oh, sorry, my sister. Mr. Anyim, I just with him. Yeah. Mr. Anyim, I just anyị dị n'ebe ndị okolobia ka ọsamanta na-protesting obi nọmba wee gbunofu nwa anyị ọchọ na-eme bede kwa gbagbufu na ndị polisi bụrụ ezo ya ghara ti ọnụ na okwukonu onye bụ dibo ya gbagbufu
Ifeke efa bụ gift Ifeke tụna anya igwe nke onye ahụ ndị nke one of my actress Tulome na anga nenu ajine je obi arụkwụ je mechie omenani ndị fimofonye Kenya Rosa Fọma ahụsụ nene anyị abịa obi nọmba mene filo anyị nọ nwanụ na ya all of a sudden agbasachi agbagbufu gift ni ebe ọ na-eme bede ni tu agba na oshi n'ukwu nshi kemin wechiwa mario filo blọsọ asancha agbara the next abani banuji wechi ndị polisi chọọ nwụsụ wee ndị polisi ebule narị ndị mmadụ elu kifeke n'ime ni so ọtụ na anya igwe anya amalife the boy menu abana agbagbufu now
onye bụ gift were ihe
gift bụ nwa
were ihe
ọ bụ a very quiet good boy or the very small where was I say film na direct na ye Philomena anga nenu or actually made the film but now probably the ship say she Yakoba na Babu Fair now one recently last Sunday ko apa na nwa je child dedication o she go me birthday now abo a birthday call name on me dead day
what's the name birthday ka gbagbufu na
ya ka gbagbufu na so on the Ifa Kala Abu celebration of birthday, Abu celebration of death, on that celebration death. I see, I was very unfortunate. If I'm Annie Benson, director Annie Benson. A movie, yes, I'm a movie director.
Tell us what is happening here, my brother.
Right now, I'm Annie Benson, a movie director. So one boy, Binamba, it was yesterday night. The boy was called Gift. The boy was celebrating his birthday at one of the hotel here. Royal Hall. So Obinamba. So all of a sudden, 3 healers just came. As they just came, they enter inside the hotel. They shot the first gun. The boy was asking them, what is it? Well, I'm celebrating my birthday. The next thing they shot the boy. They shot the boy and carried the boy. The boy is dead.
Was the boy armed?
The boy was not armed. He was not armed. The boy was just asking the policeman, why do you want to disorganize my occasion? I'm doing my birthday. So
that is the reason why youth are protesting.
That is why the youth of Obinamba are protesting right now.
So since last night, this incident took place.
I've not slept. Even my machine is where I parked it. I couldn't go back to Obiaro.
Has police said anything since night that this thing happened?
Right now, everywhere is silent.
As to if there's any reason why it was shot?
No, they've not said anything. So we're waiting for them to come and tell us why they shot the boy.
So what is your message to the government and the people that are watching you?
My message to the government is that they should come and call those policemen. They should come and tell us what the boy did, why they killed him.
Okay.
That is my message.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Just take all this in. Just take all this in. You have the reaction.
Yes, I'm with him. Yeah. Okay. My sister. Honor, how are you?
I'm fine.
Player, what's your name?
Honor.
Yeah, what is happening here?
Alright, this is Obinamba, somewhere in Okwane local government in Delta State. Yesterday, a boy was shot by the police and someone is dead. And as you can see, man, this is the youth of Obinamba mourning their brother and friend. Thank you.
Yeah, so Kwane, can you make a change?
Ebene bụ obi nọmba ofu ụzọ n'ime Kwane ni Delta State. Ụnyaahụ nụ ndị polisi bịa n'idimegba ofu onye kemalekpe. Arụgba maro. Dimegba gufeye.
Only for many.
Only for many.
Ojo shi.
Ụnyaahụ bụ birthday ya, ọdịni birthday ya.
Ojo egbe.
Only for G.
Mbele nwere nke be fai.
Mmebu ọ na-achụkwụka.
O ka anyị mụ ndo Kwane trumpet mbele nwere me.
Thank you.
Eje nwere. As you can see, Ukwane youth, Mukwata youth, Obinamba youth, yeah, they are here. They are very, very hungry. Yeah. They are very, very hungry. They are not happy following the killing of their son, Mr. Gift. Gift was celebrating his birthday yesterday. Then some policemen now came and shot him. That is the information we got yesterday. Thank you. This is Obinamba in Ukwane local government, Delta State of Nigeria. Thank you.
Can you imagine this? Somebody celebrating birthday and at the same time they make his death a birthday gift for him. What a shame. This happened in a country where there is no law. There is no law. The Nigeria forces or the Nigeria police think they can just do anything and get away with it. Nobody questioned them, nobody asked them. These are the reason why these youths at this particular time need to support Biafra, so that all these things will put a stop to it. Yes, we have to put a stop to it. Biafra right now is the only solution, the only thing that will make our voice to be heard. Thank you very much for always supporting me in this particular channel. I'm so grateful. If today is the first time you're coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. In case you don't know who is talking, in case you are just seeing me for the first time, I am Agatha Progress Channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Thank you very much once again for always supporting me. I see you when I see you. Bye.